Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 10. Which of the following pairs of properties of alkali metals decreases down the group? A. First ionization energy and reactivity. B. Melting point and atomic radius. C. Reactivity and electronegativity. D. First ionization energy and melting point. So we have properties of alkali metals. The alkali metals are the group 1 metals. That is, those elements, of course they are metals which have one valence electron, that is one electron on their outermost shell in terms of their atomic structure. Now, according to the periodic properties, there are certain properties that decrease down the group or increase up the period or up the group rather. So that is what we are looking at here. We are looking at the properties that decrease down the group. So ionization energy is one of the periodic properties that decreases down the group. Now, the ionization energy decreases down the group because as you go down the group, the number of shells increase. So take for example, or you have lithium as the first group 1 metal, the next you have sodium, next you have potassium. So the number of shells of lithium is less than the number of shells of sodium. The number of shells of sodium is less than the number of shells of potassium. So as you go down the group, group 1, the number of shells increase, and as the number of shells increase, the ionization energy, which is the energy required to remove the valence electrons, to ionize it, will also decrease. So ionization energy decreases down the group. Another property is boiling point as well as melting point. Boiling and melting point decrease down the group. You have the melting point of lithium to be 181 degrees Celsius, that of sodium to be 98 degrees Celsius, that of potassium as 64 degrees Celsius, and that of rubidium as 39 degrees Celsius. So you can see that as you progress down the group, group 1, their melting points increase, their boiling points also decrease, as well as their melting point. So melting and boiling points decrease as you progress down the group in group 1, which is the alkali metals. So we have listed 3 characteristics, and amongst them you have first ionization energy and you also have the melting point. So you have those 2 in option D, first ionization energy and the melting point. So option D is the correct answer to this question as the properties that decrease down the group. Thank you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.